What's up, y'all? This your girl Tati. Welcome back to my channel. Tada is Tati. We're doing a quick little 1-2 today. Some clip-in installments. Very simple. I don't do the breakdown, so I kind of individually go through the rows of my head. The parts do not need to be straight. It don't matter. No one is going to see them, so you don't have to actually have them straight like if you was doing some braids or something. So I know y'all see the dandruff. I have very bad dandruff. I always had. If y'all have any recommendations for me to try to get rid of, please leave it in the comment section, because girl, I need it, okay? I need it. But yeah, you kind of just see what I'm doing. I'm not going to do too much talking because everything is kind of self-explanatory. I don't need to do too much talking. But I wanted to come on here and give y'all a little intro, introduce y'all to the video. I hope y'all like these. I've been kind of messing with clip-ins for 3-4 months now. I love them. Very versatile. I could do so much stuff with them. It do take me a little hour or so to kind of put them in, install them. But once you kind of get good at it, it will take you less and less time. So don't worry. Don't fret. Y'all good, child. But I just wanted to come on here and show y'all how I do them exactly. This is the way that I do them. To me, I do them pretty good. So hopefully y'all can try it and y'all can do it pretty good too. You will need basic stuff like a hot comb, a flat iron, heat protecting like you just seen, edge control, some got to be spray, comb, brush, clips, just stuff that you do when you do your hair. Nothing too major. I'm going to insert a picture of where I got them from. Got them from Amazon, and I kind of give y'all the quick little gist of that. But this really kind of it. I don't have too much more to say. I hope y'all enjoy this video. Just continue to watch. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I love y'all. And just enjoy my clip-ins.